Hmm. What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
T-Rex? They're scary, aren't they? Yeah, T-Rex.
That's right there.
Yeah, you got one over there, don't you? Okay, what's some other ones that you know? What's the one that flies?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl. It flies. Okay, and what about the Parasaurolophus? Parasaurolophus? Okay. Is he a meat source or veggie source?
Tree source.
Tree. Okay, tree source. Okay, so he's veggies. Okay. What about the Steingenflupulus? Is that a real dinosaur? Is that a real dinosaur?
This is Indominus. This is Indominus Rex.
Indominus Rex?
He's a mean, bad dinosaur.
He's a mean, bad dinosaur? Wow. Well, yeah, that's a cool name, Indominus. What about the Triceratops?
Triceratops is good.
He's a good one? Does he eat veggies then? He doesn't eat meat? Because you know, we're meat.
He's a veggie source. Triceratops is a veggie source, and he eats plants.
Eats plants, okay. All right. Well, what other... You know any other dinosaurs?
But I know the ones can fly. Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl can fly. All right.
But what? Is that the door?
No, that's not the door.
Someone else's door.
Is that all the dinosaurs you know?
Yeah,
Okay.
but...
This has been brought to you by Papa and Joshie. Tell everybody how old you are. Show them your fingers. 3 years old. Say bye.
I voted bye.